everyone, and welcome back to Learning English is Easy, the podcast where learning English is fun and simple. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again with you.
How are you today, Tom?
I'm great, thank you. But I have to be honest, I forgot something this morning.
Oh no, what did you forget?
My keys, again, every single time.
Tom, not again?
I know. I locked myself out of my apartment. I had to wait 10 minutes for my neighbor to help me.
Well, that's a perfect way to start our topic today.
Oh, really? What's the topic?
Today, we're talking about rooms and objects you always forget.
Oh, that's so me.
And me too. We all forget things sometimes, but in this episode, we'll learn to describe different rooms in the house, the things inside them, and practice lots of new vocabulary.
That sounds great and very useful.
It is! And before we begin, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Learning English is Easy, so you never miss a new episode.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who are learning English. It really helps us a lot.
Thank you so much. Now, let's open the door. If you have your keys, Tom.
I do now. Thank you. Okay, let's go inside.
Let's start in the most forgotten place of all, the hallway.
Ah, yes, the place where you lose everything before leaving home.
Exactly. What do we usually have in the hallway?
Let's see, a mirror, maybe a coat rack, a shoe rack, and of course, the doormat.
Perfect. And the objects we always forget there?
Keys, definitely keys. Also sometimes shoes, umbrellas, maybe sunglasses.
Yes. You put your sunglasses down for 1 second and then gone forever.
Same with the umbrella. Every time it rains, I say, I'll take my umbrella today. Then I leave the house, and it's still in the hallway.
Classic mistake. So in English, we can say, I always forget my keys in the hallway, or I left my umbrella by the door.
And I can't find my shoes anywhere.
Perfect everyday phrases.
Okay, let's move to another room. Where do you think people forget things next?
The kitchen.
Oh, yes, the kitchen full of forgotten cups and half-eaten sandwiches.
Exactly. What do we have in a kitchen?
There's a fridge, a stove, a microwave, a sink, and lots of cupboards.
And small things too, like spoons, forks, knives, and cups.
Don't forget the kettle for tea and the coffee maker.
Right. So what do we always forget in the kitchen?
I often forget my coffee mug. I make coffee, then I walk away, and it's still sitting there getting cold.
Oh, yes, or you forget your lunch in the fridge.
That's the worst. You spend time cooking, you pack your lunch, you put it in the fridge to stay fresh, and then you leave without it.
You arrive at work and remember, oh no, my lunch!
Exactly. So you buy something expensive instead.
Happens all the time. You can say, I forgot my lunch in the fridge, or I left my coffee on the counter.
Counter's a great word. It means the flat surface in the kitchen.
Yes, and another good phrase, I can't find the bottle opener.
Always missing during a party.
Always. Okay, let's move to the next room, the living room.
Ah, the living room. The place where remote controls go to disappear.
Yes, the mysterious black hole of the house. What's in a living room?
There's usually a sofa, a coffee table, maybe a carpet, a TV, a lamp, and some shelves.
And many cushions that you have to move to find your phone.
Yes! Phones hide under the cushions all the time.
And the remote control, always lost between the sofa cushions.
Where's the remote? Is one of the most common questions in English homes.
And in every language, I think.
So we can say, I can't find the remote. Or, I left my phone on the sofa.
Or, I always forget where I put my glasses.
Ooh, that's a good one. Sometimes I even forget they're on my head.
Same here. You walk around saying, "Where are my glasses?" And they're literally on your face.
We all do it. So, good words here: sofa, armchair, cushion, carpet, TV, lamp, bookshelf, and coffee table.
Great. Let's move to another dangerous zone, the bedroom.
Ooh, yes. The bedroom is full of forgotten clothes and socks that disappear forever.
Where do they go? One sock always disappears in the washing machine.
It's a mystery. Somewhere there's a secret world full of single socks.
So, what objects do we have in a bedroom?
We have a bed, a pillow, a blanket, a wardrobe, and a bedside table.
And sometimes a mirror, an alarm clock, or a small lamp.
Exactly. And what do we forget in the bedroom?
My phone charger. Every time I travel, I forget the charger next to my bed.
Oh, yes, that's a big one. I forgot my charger.
You only realize it when your phone battery is at 1%.
Another common one is I can't find my socks.
Or I left my pajamas on the bed.
Also, I forgot my wallet on the bedside table.
Yes, the wallet and the watch. Always.
So, listeners, if you're packing your bag for a trip, remember, check the bedroom before you leave.
And the charger.
Always the charger.
Always. Okay, let's open the door to the bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom. Home of missing towels. And toothpaste. True. You always buy toothpaste and then realize you already have 3 tubes.
Exactly. So, in the bathroom, we have a shower, a sink, a mirror, a towel, a toothbrush, toothpaste, and shampoo.
Don't forget the toilet.
Of course! So, what do we forget in the bathroom?
I always forget to replace the toilet paper.
That's not good, Tom.
I know. Also, I sometimes forget my towel before showering. Then I have to shout, "Anna, can you bring me a towel?
Good practice for speaking English loudly.
Can you bring me a towel, please?"
Great sentence. Another one. Where is my toothbrush?
Or, I can't find the shampoo.
Perfect. Everyday English you can use all the time.
And remember, I left my towel on the floor. Not good, but realistic.
Very realistic. Let's continue. What's next?
Maybe the office or study room.
Good idea. So, in a home office, we have a desk, a chair, a computer, a lamp, some pens, and notebooks.
And usually a cup of cold coffee.
Yes, every office has one. So, what do we forget there?
Pens! I never have a pen when I need one.
True. I can't find a pen. The sentence of every student.
Also, where's my notebook?
Or I left my glasses on the desk.
That one happens every day.
I sometimes forget to turn off my computer.
Me too. I forgot to turn off the light, or I forgot to turn off the computer.
Excellent practice for the verb forget to do something.
Yes, that's a useful structure. I forgot to take my umbrella. I forgot to lock the door. I forgot to call my mom.
So many possibilities.
Okay, what's another room?
Let's go to the laundry room.
Ah, yes. The room of missing socks.
We already talked about that mystery. But yes, the laundry room usually has a washing machine, maybe a dryer, a basket, and detergent.
And we always forget something in there.
Yes, I forgot to take the clothes out of the washing machine.
Oh, yes, and then they smell bad.
I left my wet clothes in the washing machine.
Another one is, I can't find the laundry detergent.
Or where's the iron?
I forgot to iron my shirt. That's me before meetings.
Same here. So you see, the laundry room gives us many excuses for being late.
Sorry, I forgot to dry my clothes.
Perfect reason. Okay, let's step outside for a moment to the garden or balcony.
Nice. So outside, we have plants, maybe a table and chairs, and sometimes a watering can.
And what do we forget there?
The watering can itself.
Yes, or we forget to water the plants.
I forgot to water the plants.
Exactly. Or I left my cup on the balcony.
Always happens. Then it rains.
My cup is full of rainwater.
A new kind of tea.
Delicious.
Okay, pack inside before it rains more.
Let's go to one more room. Maybe the dining room.
Good idea. So, in the dining room, we have a table, chairs, plates, glasses, and cutlery.
Cutlery means knives, forks, and spoons.
And the object we always forget?
Napkins.
Yes, always. You sit down, you start eating, and realize there are no napkins.
Or, I forgot to put the fork on the table.
Or, I forgot the salt.
That's another classic. Can you pass the salt?
Perfect phrase.
And for listeners, you can say, I set the table. I forgot the napkins. I cleared the table.
Great vocabulary for dinner time.
So now that we've visited all the rooms, let's see what we always forget in general.
Okay. Top 5 things people forget at home. Keys, phone, wallet, charger, and umbrella.
Perfect. I agree 100%.
For example, I forgot my phone on the table.
I left my keys in the kitchen.
I can't find my wallet.
I forgot my charger in the bedroom.
I left my umbrella in the hallway.
These sentences are gold. You can use them every day.
Exactly. They're short, useful, and very natural. And when you forget something, it's okay. You can use English to talk about it.
Yes, turn your mistakes into English practice.
That should be the motto of this podcast.
I like that.
You know, this topic makes me think we forget objects, but we also forget words sometimes.
True. So if you forget a word in English, don't worry. You can describe it instead.
Exactly. Like if you forget the word remote, you can say the thing to change the TV.
Perfect strategy. That's how native speakers help you understand.
And little by little, you'll remember more words.
That's right. Learning English is like finding your keys. You lose them sometimes, but you always find them again.
That's so true.
Okay, before we finish, let's do a quick review for our listeners.
Great idea.
Okay, rooms in the house. Hallway, kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, office, laundry room, dining room, and balcony or garden.
Objects: keys, phone, wallet, charger, umbrella, towel, toothbrush, pen, cup, plate, fork, and pillow.
Excellent.
And don't forget those useful phrases. I left my, I can't find my, I forgot my.
Exactly.
So, everyone listening, your challenge today is to look around your house and name 5 objects in each room in English.
Yes, and try to make sentences. For example, I have a mirror in the hallway. There's a lamp on my desk. I left my shoes by the door.
That's great practice.
And tell us in the comments, what object do you always forget?
We really want to know. Maybe we can make a list of the most forgotten objects in the world.
That would be fun.
Okay, before we finish, don't forget to subscribe to Learning English is Easy and like this video if you enjoyed it.
And please share it with your friends who are learning English too. Your support helps us a lot and keeps us motivated to make more fun episodes for you.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
And remember, even if you forget your keys, never forget your English practice.
Yes, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep your keys safe.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.